send new Instagram post to all your Google contacts on their WhatsApp automatically. So this is what we are going to do today in this video with the help of an automation technique. So this automation will allow you to share your Instagram post to all your contacts you have in your Google contacts on their WhatsApp. So it will surely improve your reach of your Instagram post, and it will also save your time and manual efforts. So guys, you can see on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Guys, as and when you are going to share any new post from your Instagram account, the same post link will be shared as a new message to all your Google contacts automatically on WhatsApp. Yes guys, and to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here. And guys, here on the dashboard, you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a relevant or suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as share Instagram posts on WhatsApp. All right, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of this automation. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to trigger this workflow or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be sharing of a post on Instagram, and the action towards the trigger would be to share the link of that same post on WhatsApp to Google contacts. All right. So first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from here, you have to choose Instagram application as the trigger application, guys. So search for Instagram here. This is it. Select it. All right. And here you can see it is written here every 10 minutes. So this trigger will work every 10 minutes. That means it will check for new data in Instagram every 10 minutes. And if there is a new post, the data of that post will be fetched here and the workflow will run. Okay. And in the trigger event, you have to select this new media posted in my account. Okay, so it will triggers to fetch the new media posted in your Instagram account. Okay, and here you can see it is written here, please connect your Instagram account and click on save and send test request button so that we can fetch the recent media in your Instagram account in order to confirm that the right account is connected and your trigger is set up correctly. Okay, so just follow it, click on connect here, and from here select add new connection, and from here click on connect with Instagram, and from this window it will ask you to log in if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in my Instagram account, it is just asking me to give the access to Pabbly Connect. So just click on allow here, and you will be connected with Instagram in just a few seconds. You can see the authorization successful and we are now connected. Okay, so now it is time to click on save and send test request button, and it will fetch the recent media in your Instagram account. Okay, so you can see this is my Instagram account and this is the most recent media. Let's click on save and send test request here and see how the data will be fetched. So you can see in this response received section, this is how the data got fetched here. The caption is this, ready for Bombay to Goa. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see this is the recent media and the caption was the same, ready for Bombay to Goa. Okay, this is how it is going to capture the data, guys. And you can see the image URL is also here, the content URL. Okay, so and the permanent link of the Instagram post URL is here, right? So we got the links and all the data. Now guys, I want to share this content with my contacts that I have in Google Contacts application. This is my Google Contacts application. Here I have these details of my people or the audience and their WhatsApp numbers. So first of all, I am going to connect this Google Contacts here in this workflow, and then I'm going to fetch the details of the WhatsApp numbers of the contacts. Then we are going to send them the Instagram post. So to get the contacts here, use this action step, and from here search for Google Contacts application. So this is Google Contacts, select it. And in the action event, you have to select get all contacts option. Here it is, get all contact. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. Then click on connect with Google Contacts. And from here, you have to choose the Google account by which you are accessing the contact or in which you have the contacts added. So I'm selecting that. Right. Then you have to give some additional access to that account. Just click on continue. Alright, and you can see we are now connected. And here we have this save and send test request button again. So this you can read here. This will save the values if filled above and will send data to the selected app for processing. Okay, this means by clicking on this, you can fetch the details of, you can fetch the contacts that you have here in Google Contacts application inside this workflow. But before fetching the contacts, I am going to toggle this simple response button to off. Okay. And we are going to fetch the data in advanced format. Why we are doing that, I'll tell you. Just click here on save and send test request, and you can see we got this kind of response, and in this response we got this connections array, and in the connections array you can see this is how we got the data of our contacts, right? So we got this array format because we have toggled this response button to off. Now guys, I'm going to arrange this data in person by person format. Okay, with the help of a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called Iterator. Iterator is going to arrange this data one by one. First it will show me the first contact, then the second, then the third. So what Iterator will do, Iterator will make the workflow run for each and every contact one by one starting from the first. Okay, so the Instagram post will be shared to each and every contact one by one. Okay. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for Iterator, which is here, select it. And when you select Iterator, it will ask to choose the array. So here from this field only, I'm going to choose this array that we have received here in this connections label. Okay, so for that, just click here, and from it will show you this previous step in the drop down, and from here only map the connections label. Then click on save and send test request. And here you can see we got the data separated out here like this. Okay, and here you can see it is showing the names here. Name of the contact is here, email address is here. All right, and here in the resource name we got this string of data with we have a people written here and then numbers written here with a slash. So guys, with the help of this label, we need to fetch out the contact number or the WhatsApp number. You can see we didn't get the WhatsApp number yet here. Okay, so let me show you how you can fetch the WhatsApp number. Just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, I'm going to connect Google Contacts again. Search for Google Contacts, which is here. And now with the help of an action event, guys, we are going to fetch out the contact details or the WhatsApp number from this resource name label, from this string. Okay, let me show you how. Here you will find the action event which is called get a contact. Okay, here it is, get a contact. Select it, click on connect, and from here now we can use existing connection because we have already connected with Google Contacts in a previous step. So I can use that connection again. So keep this selected, select existing connection option, and then just click on save and you will be connected again with Google Contacts like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the contacts. So here I am going to map this label, this resource name label, guys. Okay, let me show you how. So first of all, you need to toggle this map button to on to enable mapping, then erase this data. And from this Iterator step, click here and map the resource label like this. So the resource name is mapped here. Now click on save and send test request, and you can see in this response section we got the details like this. So we got the name separated here and the email address, and here you can see we got this phone number label in canonical form. This is the WhatsApp number that we needed. All right, now guys, we have to do one thing more only. You can see we have received a plus sign also in this WhatsApp number, so we need to remove this plus sign, because when we are going to send the WhatsApp message, we need to have the mobile number or the WhatsApp number only, not the plus sign. Okay, so to remove that plus sign, just click here on this plus icon, and let's use another feature of Pabbly Connect, which is called text formatter. Search for text formatter here. Here it is. Alright, and in the action event you will find all these options. From here I'm going to select this split text. So I'm going to use split text to split this contact number, and I'm going to remove this plus sign. Okay, just click on connect here, and here it is asking text to split. So I'm going to map this label here, this phone number label. Okay, I'm going to map it here. So just click here, and from this fourth step, search for the phone number label and map it like this. And now it is asking for the separator. So we are going to use this plus sign as a separator to separate this number from the plus sign. So put here plus sign. Okay, and in the segment index, I want this second part of this string. Okay, that means I want this number, not the plus sign. So from the segment index option, select second option. So when you select first, it will show you only the plus sign. When you select second, it will separate the number. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and here you can see in this result label we got the number separated. Okay, so now we have the WhatsApp number and we have the Instagram post. Now we can send a message, and to send a message on WhatsApp, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. So guys, the Cloud API feature is the recently launched platform by Facebook to give the access of WhatsApp's application programming interface to people and businesses to connect their numbers with the API of WhatsApp to send messages to people. So guys, first of all, you need to set up your Cloud API inside Meta for Developers section. And if you want to know how to get the access of WhatsApp's API, you need to watch the videos from the description, where we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your Cloud API, and after that you can use this feature here. So here the action event would be send template message, then click on connect here, and from this window, if you are making the connection with Cloud API for the very first time, you have to select add new connection option, and here you can give a name to this connection as well. And here it will ask for the token or the permanent access token of your Cloud API setup, then the phone number ID and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about these things about the Cloud API setup, you can just read this as explained here, and you can just click on this here word and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect. And here you will find these two videos. First video is for the Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. Second is for generating the permanent token. And then we have steps along with the screenshot to educate you about the Cloud API setup and how to connect it inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger or in the action, and many things about that. So you can read these things and follow these things. And to find these three things, guys, I can show you my Cloud API setup of WhatsApp. So you can see I am under Meta for Developers page. Here I have created an app and I am under WhatsApp's getting started page. Here you will find this temporary access token first. So temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So that's why we need to generate a permanent token. And if you want to know how to generate that, you can watch the videos from the description or from this forum page of Pabbly. Okay. And after getting the permanent token generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also. So after generating the token, copy that and paste it here in the token field. And here you can see when you scroll down here, you will find the phone number ID. You can copy it from here only and paste it here like this. Similarly, you can copy the business account ID from here and paste it here like this. And after pasting all three things, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with WhatsApp's Cloud API setup. And this connection that you just made will be saved in your account. So making the connection by this process can also be a one-time process because the connections will be saved here. And after that, in future, if you want to make the connection again with the Cloud API setup of WhatsApp, you can use that existing connection also. Let me show you how. As I have already made many connections before in different workflows with my Cloud API setup, so I can use any of my existing connections. So by selecting this select existing connection option, you can do that. And here you can see you will find this select connections option. And when you click on it, you will see here the list of all the existing connections that you have. From here, you can choose any one. I am selecting this one and I have named it as WhatsApp Cloud API final one. So I'm selecting this. Now I just have to click on save and you can see I'll be connected again. Okay, so we are now connected. And now it is asking for the templates name. So first of all, let me tell you what message templates are. So guys, this is my Cloud API setup and here you can read send message with the API. It is written here to create your own message template. Click here. So when you click on this here word, you will reach the message template section of the Cloud API setup, and these are the message templates I have. So guys, message templates are predefined message structures, standard message structures that you need to create here first to send messages on WhatsApp directly and automatically. Let me show you the one that I am using here to send a message. So the message template I am using is this one. Let me show you. Here is the message template that we are using, guys. The name of the template is Instagram update, and you can see the preview of this message is this. So this is how the message is going to appear when we are going to send it on WhatsApp. So here it is saying hello Roger Binney. So it is just a sample name of any person. A new post is just published on our account. Here we are going to mention our account's name. Don't wait to shower our love. Also provide your valuable feedback in the comments. This is the link of the Instagram post. Okay, so this is how we are going to send a message. So we have created this message template first here, and in that message template we have placed some variable tags also. You can see this is the body box in which we have typed the message. Here you can see we have this 1 2 3 three variables or the body fields. So guys, we need to place these body fields in the message template because there will be some things that we want to change with every new message. Just like the link of the post that we are posting and the name of the contact or the person to whom we are sending this message. So these are the things which we want to change with every new message. And for these things to change, we need to place the variable tags or body fields here in the message body. Okay, let me tell you how you can create such a template. You can see here we got this button create message template. So by clicking on it, you can find the categories in which you can create the templates like the transactional, marketing or OTP. So you can select any of these. I am selecting marketing here. Here in the name section, you can enter any name. Here in the language section, you can enter the language in which you want to send the message like this. After that, click on continue from here. And here you will find this page, and here if you want to attach a header in the message, you can select header option, and in the header you can send a text message or you can attach a media, and in the media you can send an image, a video or a document. So you can select any of these. So let's say I'm selecting an image. So whatever you select here, you have to add a sample of that too here. So as you can see, I have selected image. Now I have to add the sample image here by clicking on this add sample button. Here I have to add a sample of that image. Okay. And here you will find the body box. So here you have to type the main message that you want to send to WhatsApp. And if you want to place a variable here, you have to click on this add variable button, and a tag will be added here like this, right? And so this is how you can add a body field or tag. So you have to place these tags in proper places, okay, inside the message template. And then you can, if you want to add a short line in the footer, you can do that. If you want to add a button, a call to action button or a quick reply button, you can use this here. After creating the template, you can watch the preview from here and you have to submit this template. And after getting the template submitted, Facebook is going to review that and approve it. And it will just take a few minutes to get your template approved. And after that, you can use that template in your workflows. So here I am selecting this template, guys, Instagram update. So when I click here, it will show me all the approved templates I have. From here, I'm going to search for my template. Here it is, select it. And you can see now the language code and the template ID is auto-populated. No need to do anything here. Here in the recipient mobile number field, you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you want to send the message. So guys, we got the WhatsApp number details here. In the first we got the details here and we have separated the details with Iterator. Then we got this number, then we separated out the plus sign, and finally we got the WhatsApp number here like this in this result label. So I'm going to map this label here in this field. So just click here, and from the last step, the most recent step, this fifth one, map the mobile number label like this, map the result label. Okay, so that's why we have separated out the plus sign. You can read in the instructions. We have to put the WhatsApp number with a country code. 91 is for India and without the plus sign. Okay. And here it is asking for the body fields. So as I have already shown you that we have 1, 2 and 3 body fields in our template. So to get the values of these body fields changed dynamically with every new message, we need to map the values of these body fields here in the workflow. Okay. So we are going to get the data from the previous steps. So here in the first body field, I want to place the name of the person to whom we are sending the message. So we got the name, guys, you can see from this step. You can see in this Google Contacts step where we have used get a contact action event, we got the contact details here like this. And in this contact details, we got the name also like this, display name. So this is the name of the person to whom we want to send the message. So I'm going to map that label here. So just click here. And from this get a contact option, map the name label like this. Okay. And here in the second body field, I want to mention the name of my Instagram account. So you can just copy it from here. This is my Instagram account. Let me show you. This is my profile here. Okay, this is my Instagram account. So I can just copy this username of Instagram account and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and in the third body field, I'm going to map the link of the Instagram which we got from the first step, from the Instagram step. So map the permanent link of Instagram from here. Right now, guys, we are done, and now you can check your connection by clicking on save and send test request, and a test WhatsApp message will be delivered to this WhatsApp account. So I can show you that how the message is going to appear. So I'm clicking on save and send test request. So this is the response we have received. Now let me show you how the message is going to look like. So guys, you can see this is the message we have received, and the message is this: hello Akash Bhelkar, a new post is just published on our Instagram account. This is the username and this is the link of the Instagram post, and by clicking on this link, people can will be redirected to your Instagram account and your post like this. Okay, this is how it is going to work, guys. And in place of this link body field, we got the link, we got the name placed automatically. Okay, this is how it is going to work. So guys, we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you are going to post any post on Instagram, the WhatsApp message will be delivered automatically to all your Google contacts like this. And guys, you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.